Hey everyone, Melissa Brannon with Startup Prize Focus on Health. And today I'm super excited because we are here with one of our finalists, Matt Kuhn. Hey Matt, how's it going?
Hey, Melissa, it's going great. How are you?
So good. So we wanted to have a chance to check in with all of our finalists this year. I'd love it if you could tell us the name of your company, where you're based, and what problem you're looking to solve.
Sure. Yeah, I'm a founder and CEO of Taurus Vascular. We're a medical device startup located at the Texas Medical Center in Houston.
Awesome. And what is Taurus Vascular the problem you're looking to solve with Taurus Vascular?
Yeah, we're really focused on addressing a critical challenge in the field of endovascular aortic aneurysm repair, which is a mouthful, but the acronym is EVAR. And there's this unsolved issue of endo leaks, which have plagued this field for the past 30 years. And for context, an aortic aneurysm is a condition where a patient has a weakened aorta, which is the body's largest artery. And with an aneurysm, the vessel wall becomes weakened over time and starts to grow like an inflating balloon. And if it ruptures, that's often a fatal event. So the standard of care for aortic aneurysms, or EVAR, is a catheter-based procedure in which a stent graft is delivered inside of the aorta to basically exclude the aneurysm from the circulation, which means to reline the pipe from the inside. And if the
Got it.
procedure is successful, all the aortic blood flow should go through that pipe, and you should see the aneurysm shrink over time. The problem is that for the majority of patients, we see a failure to achieve aneurysm sac regression.
Got it. So what is the device that Taurus is kind of uh, proposing to solve this?
Yeah, we're developing a adjunct technology or an add-on technology, something to be used alongside endografts. And our technology places a small nitinol shunt between the high pressure aneurysm sac and a low pressure nearby vein to serve as a drainage pathway for endo leaks to basically depressurize an aneurysm when used alongside endografts.
Sounds sorry, I don't even know why I'm laughing. It just like it sounds so complicated, but I know like that it's a really serious thing, and it sounds like something that will really improve outcomes for patients that have been through this.
Yeah, I think the terminology and the vernacular can be complicated and a lot of big words, big acronyms. I think the beauty of our technology is it's a really simple solution. We're plopping small hole between this high pressure vessel and a low pressure nearby pipe. It's just like putting a drain in your basement floor to prevent the accumulation of fluid.
Love it. So was there something that made you particularly drawn to this issue, to this problem? Do you have a connection somehow?
Not from a personal perspective.
Mhm.
I joined the Texas Medical Center Innovation Biodesign Program last year, or I guess maybe 2 years ago. It's been a quick year. And biodesign is a fantastic program. You're given a blank slate in a year to find an unmet need in medicine, develop a solution, validate that solution, and launch a company. So Taurus Vascular is a spin out of the TMCI biodesign program. And when we started looking into problems to solve, vascular surgery is a field that has seems primed for disruption, primed for innovation. So it aligned well with our ambitions for the company.
I love that. So how are you feeling about Startup Prize Finals? Like, are you ready? Like, how are you feeling about your hour in that room with all of those judges and potential investors?
I feel good. I think it's exciting. Um, Even meeting some of the judges from the get together maybe last month. There's a lot of smart, bright, often critical judges, and I look forward to the challenge of articulating the business model, the challenges that we see ahead of us, the milestones that we've accomplished so far, and really make a compelling case for why, even beyond winning the challenge, why we think we're a special startup, a special team, and a special technology.
And if you are our grand prize winner for our FDA track, what next?
I think brief celebration, right? And
Right.
then getting right back to work, right? We're a class 3 PMA device, which means we have a long road ahead of us. We're projected to be commercial maybe by 2029, 2030. So it takes an average of 7 years to get through the entire process. So we have a long journey ahead of us. But the validation will be nice. And I think most importantly, connecting with knowledgeable experts from engaging with the judges will probably be the most valuable contribution to our company.
Awesome. Well, I love hearing that. And we're wishing you best of luck for this year's finals. And we'll look forward to seeing you right here in Shreveport, or as we like to call it, Prizeport, in late August. Thanks again for joining us today, Matt, and Viva La Startup Prize.
Thanks, Melissa.